Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a step about what to do if you can remember your Instagram login details. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now go to Google. Now select your account. Press on Manage your Google account. Now go to Security. Scroll down. Now press on Password Manager. Now select Instagram account. Set your password. Here is your Instagram account. So this is what to do if you can't remember your Instagram login details. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.